Nieces, nephews, fellow aunties, welcome back. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your local internet auntie, Auntie Ren, here again with another video. If this is the first time you are gracing us with your presence, hello darlings, how are you? Settle in, get a wine, get a coffee, get a tea, relax, snuggle up on the couch, get ready. This is going to be a good one. I'm so happy that you're here, and hopefully you will stick around and leave a comment in the comment section down below. If you are returning, hello darlings, how are you? Welcome back. Make sure to sound off in the comments so I can know you were here. You know I love chatting it up with you guys. I love visiting your channels. I love, you know, talking about handbags, luxury and all that jazz and everything that's going on. I am here for it. So make sure you say something down below so I know you were here so I can comment back. Okay, let's get to it. As I am recording this right now, I don't know when this is going to go out because you know I batch film, so you know, whatever. This may be the next one to go. This may be the first out of the batch that I do that goes out. But as of right now, I have 903 subscribers. Yes. Okay, so I am so excited. We are so close to 1K, guys. It is insane, and I just really, oh my gosh, I'm just so excited. You know, this was definitely, you know, a passion project for me. I remember my first video getting on. I didn't know what I was doing. I didn't even know how I was going to edit the video, but I just knew that this was something that I've always wanted to do. And my husband just kept telling me, you just need to press play, just do it, just press play. He always says that. And I was like, oh, I don't know. What if I don't like it? What if this is this? What if nobody watches? What if, it was just like so many, like, I guess, little insecurities when it came to doing it, but I did it, and here I am, and I have met some of the most amazing people that I still like speak to all the time, whether it's on Instagram, and if you're not following me on Instagram, get to it, on Instagram, on TikTok, on, you know, here just chatting up with everybody in the comments, you know, just so supportive, really such a great community. I'm so grateful. And if you've watched my channel at all, or if you've checked, you know, back into some videos, you know I love a good giveaway. You know I love to give away. I love to, you know, make sure that I'm giving back to the community, let them know, everyone know how grateful I am, you know, and how much I invested in this. So of course, you know, we're doing a 1K giveaway. Okay, so I have a 1K giveaway, and I'll link up in the iCards. I did a little bit of a teaser. I did an unboxing a couple videos back, and it was one of the items that I unboxed, and I was like, guys, which one do you think it is? Which one? If you haven't seen that video, pause, stop this one, go watch that one and come back so you can see the unboxings I did then. It was like a collective haul or something like that, and then come back and see which one it is and see if you guessed right on which one I was giving away. But anyway, so I have this item, and I wanted to now, after that soft opening, I want to now officially, you know, start the giveaway, since we are so close. We're under 100 subbies needed in order to get to 1K, and I want to announce the giveaway and make it like a little bit more official, you know, because this is like the official video for the giveaway. So I'm so excited. Okay, let's get to it. So if you've seen any of my unboxing, any of my not unboxings, any of my videos regarding giveaways, I give you all the bits. So I will take off, like on this side has all of my shipping information is on. I'll scrape all of that off so you don't have to see all of that, and then I put it all in a box, so you get the actual original box that it came in from the brand, whatever the brand is that the giveaway is from. You get that whole box. I want you to have that whole unboxing experience. I want you to feel like, you know, you got this straight from the shop yourself, truly like a gift. I never want it to feel like in any way the experience has been diluted, so I make sure that you get, you know, everything that it came along with. So you would get the box that it came in with, and I'm going to go ahead and open that now so you can see who the giveaway is from. Did you guess? Did you guess? Louis Vuitton. Yes. Okay, so we are giving away something from Louis Vuitton. Oh, yeah. So you get the box, and how it opens up in the box. The box opens up like that, and there will be an envelope in here and the actual item. And we'll take that out and put this to the side. Okay, so this is what you get. So we'll go through the envelope first, and then we'll go through the box. So in the envelope, you will get everything that you normally would get, except for a couple of pieces. Things that have like my personal information on it, obviously I will take out of the envelope, but you will get the there's a thank you card that Louis Vuitton sends, and it basically just says, you know, thank you for shopping at Louis Vuitton, you know, da da da, we value you, blah blah blah. Okay, so then they also give you a exchange and return instruction sheet. I would hope that you would keep the item, but if for whatever reason you need to return it or what have you, you know, that's on you. So that's some instructions there. I do include the receipt as well, but I do black out certain information on the receipt, so you know, again, my personal information, so that there's no issues there. And I don't include the return shipping label because that does also have my address on it, so there's no need for that, but I get rid of that. And then inside is also then another envelope inside the original envelope, and it has a little special note in there from me to whomever wins. So I'm not going to go through that now because that's a personal message from me to that individual, but I do also make sure that there is a personal message in there. You know, I like to send myself notes all the time when I order things, little notes to myself saying, hey, you're doing a good job. Have a nice day. I wish you well today on your journey. So I make sure to put a little note in there for you guys as well. All right, so then you'll get the item in a little box. The ribbon is a little bit haggard because I did open it already in that other video, but don't worry, I will steam the ribbon and give you like a really clean presentation when you get that. And it is in a drawer box. Oh my god, guys, this is such a good one. It's not even funny, like it's so good. This is a hard to find piece. If you guess, oops, we lost the little cards there. Oh my gosh, let me know if you guys guessed. Comment down below if you guessed what it was. So we give a little dust bag situation here. And da-da-da. So good, so good, guys. This is the reverse monogram card holder by Louis Vuitton. It is amazing. Oh my god, it's so good. Hard to find. I believe right now it is sold out online, but you probably could get it, like if you have an SA in store or what have you, you can get it. Still, it's not like impossible to get, but it's not the easiest item to get. Here's the item number. Fantastic. It is M69161. You'll get this too in the box. You will also get the textile card, which says coated fabric and cowhide leather lining. Absolutely adore. So this one has a card slot here to the front here on the reverse monogram side. On the traditional monogram side, there's also a card slot here, and there's also a center piece here, an opening there, right there in the center, that you can add your notes. You can add another card if you like. If you have, you know, your Metro card or what have you, it can all fit in there. Oh my gosh, it is stunning, 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 stunning piece. I'm obsessed. I think it looks fantastic. It's sleek. This can be for men, this can be for women, this can be for a gift for somebody. If you are you know, if you win this and let's say you have it already, then you can give this as a gift to somebody else. Like, it's just one of those pieces that's just so classic, so clutch, so good. The glazing on this is immaculate. It is a made in France piece. It is lined with leather inside, so it is made in France. I know you probably can't see it. I don't know what the date code is on this, guys. It is way too tight in there to even see if there is a date code stamp in there, so I'm not going to overstretch it to find that out. To whomever I send it to, if you want to do that, you more power to you. But there is a the made in France stamp is in there along the side. I know you probably can't see it, but I'm not going to overstretch this and open it up. I want it to be pristine when the person gets it. So yeah, I'm not gonna be doing that, but it's in there, I'm sure, and they can look in there and find out. But it is a made in France piece. I'm so excited to gift this to somebody. I think it is such a, like, just a great clutch item, and it just really epitomizes, you know, getting to this point, getting to 1K, you know, getting to this, you know, kind of milestone, if you will, and being like, wow, you know, I was able to do this and get here with the help of you guys, and I just want to thank you for it. So ta-ta! And with all the price increases that Louis Vuitton has been having lately, wouldn't we like to get a little something for as a gift? Yeah, I think so. All right, so let's talk about the little rules, giveaway rules. At first I was gonna say, oh, they're not that bad. These are not bad rules, you know, they're kind of easy or what have you, but there is a couple of things. So one is the time frame. So this is going to go until we reach 1K. So once the channel reaches 1K, the giveaway will be over. I'll close the giveaway down, you know, what have you. This is the video that you have to comment on, so you have to like, you have to be subscribed, and you have to comment in this video. You can comment whatever you like. It can be, you know, hey, what's up, sis? How are you? What's going on? What's popping? You know, we could just say, oh my God, I love the card holder. You can say, you know, whatever. Keep it sexy, keep it sweet, keep it nice, you know, what have you. But yeah, you can comment whatever you like. There's no like keyword or what have you. Multiple comments are not allowed. So, I mean, if you happen to comment multiple times and we're having a discussion or what have you, that's cool. But if you're just going to like try to comment to like up the ante of your of you winning the giveaway, unfortunately we're going to delete those comments so that everybody has a fair chance, because I've had videos in the past where unfortunately my comment section has been hacked and there was like 1,000 comments from like one person, and that's not really fair to everybody, so we're not doing that. So it's just gonna be one comment, you know, unless we're having like a dialogue, like I said, then it's all good. But otherwise it's just gonna be one comment per person or per entry to be considered for the giveaway. And in the comments you gotta put this, because you need to help me with this one. You have to put your Instagram handle or an email or what have you, so I can find you. So in the event it is someone that I'm not chatting with all the time, or you're new to the channel or what have you, I need to be able to let you know that you won. So make sure that you put either your Instagram handle, or if you don't have Instagram, put an email that I can get in contact with you and let you know that you won. And that's pretty much it. And you have to have your list public, or else I don't know if you're subscribed, because one of the things is this is a celebration of subscribers, so we have to make sure you're a subscriber, right? So if you don't have your subscriber list public, or you can show me that you are subscribed, I can't unfortunately give it away to that person. So gotta do that. I will write all of this in the description so you know all of the details, and it's not like, wait, okay, back up, what was that? What'd she say? You gotta do this, you gotta do that. So it's all in there. But basically we're doing this until we get to 1K. Comment down below if you're digging it. That's basically it. And if you're subscribed already, that's basically it. All the other stuff is like more of the fine print, so I'll put that in the description box down below. But that is it, guys. I'm so excited for this giveaway. This is probably one of my favorite, most important giveaways that I've had on this channel, because it is, you know, so important to me, and such a great milestone that we made here, and I couldn't have done it without you guys. Thank you so much. I'm just so excited. So that's it, I'm done. It's on. Let's get it. Road to 1K. Nieces, nephews, fellow aunties, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you know when I post up another video. Tell an auntie, tell your cousin, tell your son, tell your brother, tell your sister, tell everybody to come on and hurry up and get us to 1K so I can give this item away already. I'm done with having it. I want to give it to somebody. So thank you so much for coming in and stopping by and checking out another one. I'm so grateful for you guys. Thank you so much. Talk to you soon. Bye.